Let's move on to 3 points of this machine. The first is the effect of its circulating wind. The second is the heating efficiency. The third is its dehumidification effect. We will speak one by one. I said, first of all, this machine can't move because it's a man. Let's try it out. Ha ha ha. Hey, without further ado, get to the point. Hey, let's see a stranger closer first. Hey. This one is all at square B60. There were 60 of us. We're going to experience this roll closer now. Wow, experience the boots. With you. Then we can see that it is like the last video I talked about yesterday. It's a left right. Look, that's the first point. Now let's look at its heat efficiency. Which at 70 degrees goes when you reach the temperature. And now kick to 31. Okay, let's get the one in less than a minute. Remove it from the ambient temperature. Ambient temperature in around 29. How long does it take? Not 70. So then we'll take a look at that later. Okay, we'll take a look at later. Okay, whoa. It's been 8 minutes. 9:39 is already close to 70s. It took over 8 minutes to reach 70 in less than 9 minutes. And up many minutes. Temperature we set, and we will have this control panel that will signal back to our main to repair it to west. Yeah, let's take a look. When it overheats, our fans and compressors will sleep. It's very power efficient at this time. At this time, there is only less than 2 kilowatts of power consumption. And let's take a look. It probably stops. It stops a stop when the temperature exceeds. After stopping the compressor, the fan stops. And at this time, only the baking fan is left. The fan is only a little bit lower. Not watch. Our consumption is limited at this time. Less than 2 kilowatts of electricity. And we're going to look at drainage. Let's remove the filter. Okay. Take out the filter. This filter was also mentioned yesterday. This is the side for that section. This is a drain fan. So when it drains moisture, its whole mouth will hold up. So let's set up the humidification. Go by temperature. Drain anti-humidification. The heat is starting to drain. Start to be humidified. According to the temperature and humidity, that's when it starts draining moisture. When draining moisture, at first it seems not too much. Slowly it seems bigger and bigger. Because of what? At this moment, the entire mouth was already open. Why did the drain fan turn on slowly at first? Because of our new air valve. Let's take a look at this new air valve first. At first, it opened later. This is this initial valve. This newly opens up. This is the entire your washer ventilation. You don't have this intake valve. Your moisture cannot be green. So this is a dynamic effect of our whole machine. Let me just say that again. This dryer will work as long as it's a man. Welcome to follow me. Prepare for the next video. We're gonna test our drawing material. Bye.